The Forbidden Camping Vault is introduced as a hidden treasure trove of ancestral wisdom and survival techniques. Knowledge that, according to its creators, has been forgotten or deliberately sidelined by today's outdoor gear industry. Instead of relying on expensive high-tech products, this collection promises to teach simple, effective, and often cost-free methods for camping, cooking, staying warm, collecting water, and navigating the wild. Inside, you'll find 10 digital guides, each dedicated to a core aspect of outdoor living. Learn how to build long-lasting campfires without pricey fuel, cook using wartime techniques that eliminate the need for portable stoves, collect and purify water straight from nature, and craft improvised shelters with materials found on site. You'll also discover how to preserve food without electricity, navigate without GPS by reading natural signs, dress strategically for extreme climates, and pack a minimalist backpack with just 15 affordable items that replace costly gear. At its heart, the vault is about reclaiming the self-sufficiency our grandparents once had. Practical skills that can dramatically cut costs for campers and anyone preparing for emergencies. The creators emphasize that mastering these techniques could save thousands of dollars on modern equipment, all while maintaining safety and efficiency. Accessibility is another key advantage. The entire package is delivered as a digital download, with lifetime access and a 7-day money-back guarantee. Buyers can dive in immediately and decide if the content truly fits their needs. In short, this is a resource for adventurers, camping enthusiasts, bushcrafters, and even those focused on emergency preparedness. It blends commercial appeal with cultural revival, offering practical, budget-friendly alternatives for anyone seeking to reconnect with nature on their own terms. For those interested, the official product page link can be found right below in the video description and also in the first pinned comment.